action.
All right, we're at the air handler. We're going to check the temperature difference across the coil. Another way, good way of checking your charge. I got the digital thermometer in the return duct now. We're going in at 75 degrees. You take your thermometer out. You want to place it in the airflow, in the plenum, probably good 12 to 18 inches away from the blower though. You want to give it, give it 5 minutes or so, to get down to its temperature. Usually on the supply side, it registers pretty fast. This thermometer here is really good at reading it quickly. Now we're going in at 56 degrees. So that's 19 degrees across the coil. It's a good reading. It's a 410A unit, so we're between that 18 and 22 degree range. So we're cooling good. Write that number down. Keep that so you can let the homeowner know, how good their unit's working. Now we're going to go over heat. You want to do the same thing in heat. You want to check the temperature difference in heat. All the units are going to be a little bit different. There is a range for those. This is a straight cool unit with heat strips. We're in Florida, not a huge heat state here. So you're going to check with a heat strip. You're going to expect about 20 degrees across the coil. You might get 20-25 degrees across the heat strip. Depends on what size it is. 5 kW, maybe 15 degrees. 8 to 10 kW, that's where you're going to get your 20-25 degrees across the heat strip. So again, you adjust. We're going to put her in heat. Get your return temperature again. Give that a good 10 minutes or register. Then stick it in your supply. Make sure that you're getting ample heat across that heat strip. On heat pumps, it's going to be different. That's going to be a lot larger range between temperature differences there, because you are using the coil to heat as well as the electric heat strips. So depending on what size the heat strip is going to, entail what your temperature difference is. You can expect between probably 30 and 50 degrees, across the coil in a heat pump. Of course, with the 5 kW, you're looking more 30-35. If you got a 8 or 10, you're probably looking at 50 degrees across the coil and the heat strip. Some units run even way more efficient than that. If you're working on a gas furnace, again, that's another huge difference. You can get temperatures in the way of 130, degrees on a furnace. Heat pumps usually get up average about 120, 125 degrees. So, all right, we're gonna go ahead and click her in heat, and then I'll explain how to check them amperages on the heat strip.